Well, sorry I didn't post for I don't know, like 1 or 2 weeks, but I got the engine here. I take out the exhaust. Also, let me just change the screw to add how much fuel coming out. So let me just start this thing real quick. You will surprise how much fire coming out of this thing. Let me just. I think my hearing lost a bit, but I'll be pretty fine. Hope you like this video because hope this video get a lot of like and subscribers because I think I need to fix my hearing real quick.